Honorable Justice Lynn Leach, President of the Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association, Chief Justices and representatives, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to join you for the 2024 Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association Conference. To begin, I would like to welcome you all to Kigali. We are very pleased to have you with us, and we thank you for choosing our country as a venue for this meeting. Environmental justice, the theme of this important gathering, is a top priority for the Commonwealth. In fact, 2 years ago, when Rwanda had the privilege of hosting the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, the urgent threat of climate change was at the top of the agenda. Today, global greenhouse gas emissions are disproportionately impacting Africa and small island developing states. But no country can afford to be complacent. All over the world, temperatures are rising at unprecedented rates. The quality of the air we breathe is constantly declining, putting us all at risk. Indeed, enacting environmental laws and policies is essential if we want to build a cleaner and more sustainable future. Even more important is having a strong and independent judiciary that enforces the law and puts the needs and interests of our people first. In Rwanda, after the genocide, we embarked on a journey to reform the justice system. This was a deliberate choice, driven by the conviction that the rule of law is a key building block for peace, security, and development. One of the most consequential laws our country passed is the ban on plastic bags. The effect has been tremendous. Beyond cleanliness of our streets, our homes, this decision reinforced the importance of managing our resources without too much dependency from the outside. Over the years, we have also taken seriously the conservation of our national parks. All over the world, these parks are home to endangered species who unfortunately continue to be the target of criminal networks. For local communities, this rich biodiversity is a primary source of livelihoods. Too often, wildlife crimes also involve a wide spectrum of cross-border criminal activities which put our national security at risk. Close collaboration with the law enforcement is therefore necessary. With the independent and experienced judges, there is a lot that can be done to protect our environment and provide justice where it is due. To end, I urge you to use this platform to discuss the growing challenge of judicial corruption and case backlogs. Ultimately, the legitimacy of any justice system rests in the trust that citizens have in it. That is the basis of the ability of the courts to ensure respect for due process and respond swiftly and impartially to any dispute. Without this foundation, we cannot make a fairer and more peaceful world. Once again, thank you for inviting me to speak with you today. I wish you a very productive meeting, and I hope you will enjoy your stay with us. Thank you for your kind attention.